Alright guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a light switch easy with CV2. William's going to be the cameraman, so if you press this button right here, it'll blow up a flashlight. So I've learned this pretty easily. I think you guys can listen up. If you listen good, it will be very easy. So, open up your Maker Pen. Go to Palette and search up toggle button CV2. Just make sure it says toggle button, not toggle button CV1. Just toggle button. So when you guys have this toggle button out, search up point light. After you get your point light, you're like, oh, come on, this is dumb, look at it. It's already white. You can finger it and turn emit off. Oh, that just turns emit on. Alright, never mind. William, why did you configure this? This chat configure. Ignore that, by the way. So connect the toggle button. Show them. Connect, turn on to pressed. Now connect turn off to released. Now that it doesn't look that much, so I'm going to go to this rooms, subrooms, home, comment. Alright, show them. Now it comes up light. If you want to make it more lighter, you can configure the point light. Don't do anything. And scroll down until you see insanity, or no, that does, oh my god, insity, or whatever that says. Configure the bar all the way up. Look how big that is. And so, that's pretty much how you make a point light.